So now we move on to the fermented rice water recipe. This is a recipe which has been traditionally used by Chinese women, and there is a village in China called Yao, and there the women have hair which is longer than their body length, and this is the recipe which they use, and it is like their secret recipe. How they make it, they use sticky rice for it because that is what is usually used in China, and they take the rice water, they soak the rice in water overnight, and they then they take the rice away, they use it for cooking. Just the water is used to make this fermented rice water. So I'll just show the process, how it is done. I've used white organic basmati rice for this purpose, and you add water to it. Then when you are soaking it, you just scrub the rice nicely in your finger so that all the essential nutrients come out into the water. The water should become cloudy after rubbing rice like this. This is a very essential step. Don't leave the rice as is. Ensure that all the nutrients get into the water. The skin of the rice has a lot of B vitamins which are excellent for hair growth. So they spend a lot of time in rubbing the rice like this, and they soak it, and then this water is soaked overnight. In the morning the rice is discarded or used for cooking purpose, and just the water is strained and taken. This water is then boiled along with a citrus peel. In China they use grapefruit, which is not so easily available here. If you get grapefruit, that's well and good. Use the peel for that purpose. If not, you can, in India you can use mosami peel in summers, and in winters quinoa or orange peels. Do not try this recipe with lemon peel, it goes bad. And so mosami peel, you just take the peel of it, put it in the water, boil the water for 10 minutes, and then just strain the mosami peel out of the water, and after it's cool, put it in a spray bottle and spray it all over your scalp. Leave it on at bedtime and overnight, and then wash off next morning with a sulfate-free cleanser. This is very miraculous. I've personally tried and tested. I have new hair growth all over my scalp due to this, and it's a very easy to make and a very potent recipe. Definitely must try. So this is the final product. This is the fermented rice water. So this is when you boil it next morning, this is how it looks like. It becomes slightly thick because of the starch of rice, and this you put in a spray bottle and you spray it all over your scalp. Do it once or twice a week. I guarantee that there will not be any hair fall, and it immediately arrests hair fall with regular use.